What if I told you there are 5 free Google tools that can save you hours every week, make your lessons more engaging, and keep your students excited to learn? Today, I'll show you 5 must know Google tools every teacher must know. Whether you teach nursery, primary, or secondary school, these tools can help you plan, teach, grade, and organize everything with ease. Let's explore how each one can transform your classroom. Number one, Google Docs. Google Docs is your digital notebook. There, it's just like a Microsoft Word, but it's smarter. You can type, edit, and share your lesson notes online with your students, with anybody. Now, let's take this an example. Imagine you are preparing your lesson notes and you are sharing it with the head teacher instantly. No printing, no flash drive needed, nothing is needed. Just prepare and share. Is that not amazing? Yes, it is. You can even collaborate with other teachers in real time. You can watch when they type and see what they type instantly without any problem. You can use voice typing. Maybe you don't want to even start typing. You can just say what you want to say, then get it done. For that one, you go to tools, you go to voice typing, just speak, and it will write for you. Go to docs.google.com. When you get there, it looks like this. This is just the environment. You can see you can create a blank document. These are the templates that are already available that you can edit to make them yours. So now if you want to create a blank document, just come here. So whatever you want to type, whatever you want to do, so you type your work, just like the way Microsoft Word work. You can put your you can use so many things. See, if I want to bold my work here, I want to color, come here, color it. You want to, anything you want to do. You want alignment, you come here, see the alignment, the 4 alignments. You want the line spacing is here. You need bullet, bullet is here, and some bullet is here, and some other thing. See, the bullet is here. This one is auto numbering is here. You want to insert anything, pictures, look at it, image, table, building blocks, smart chip, audio, anything, drawing, charts, you can do all those ones here. You want to format your word, the text, the paragraph, the alignment, line spacing, header and footer, orientation. You can do everything here. When you get to this one is another, so you can do voice typing. So let's just quickly do it. I'll click on voice typing from tool. Say click to speak. Let me think about what I want to say first. Allow this time. Click on it. Then you start talking. Whatever you are saying, it will be typed. Number two, Google Slides for interactive lessons. Google Slide is your secret to making lessons more visual and engaging. For example, you can create colorful lesson slides and pictures, videos. You can add pictures, videos, voice, even quizzes to your presentation. You can add animation, you can add transition, you can add shapes, and so many other things. It is perfect for classroom projectors or online teaching. If you want a ready-made template, you can go to slicego.com or canva.com. You can import them directly into your Google Slides. Go to Google. This is Google. Then to your browser, really. Go to your browser. Then on the browser, type slides.google.com. Okay. Just like the way you have that one, you can do all your work here. If you open this one is a template. If you open the template now, template helps you to give you idea of how the work should look like. You can see. You can also, let me close this, create a new one from a blank one. You go here,
New presentation. Oh, sorry. Yes, untitled presentation. Look at it. You can start a new one. For the new one, you can type here and type here and say Google slide subtitle training. You can do anything you want to do there, just like the way we have it in the file. You can import the slide, you can make a copy, you can share, you can download, then insert, you can insert anything, anything into its format. You can format your work. You have to select before you can format. Select, then format. You can say slide, under slide. These are the things you can put a new slide. You can duplicate slide. You can delete slide, arrange in order, bring to front. Maybe you have your images, you have your text, bring forward. The tool is also here, spelling, dictionary, extension, help, and some other things. So if you come here, you can actually make your work, whatever, anything you want to do to the work, you can do it here. See the font color, the bold, everything you want to do. You can change the background, you can put an image, you can put color, you can put image, anything you want to do, anything you can change. You can do a lot of things with it very quick, which you can also use your phones to do it. This demonstration is with computer, but it can be done the same way on the computer, on your mobile phones.
Tool number 3, Google Forms. This one is used for quick quizzes and feedback. It is very, very useful. So it is teachers' favorite. You can create quizzes, you can collect the response or get feedback from the students immediately without wasting time. For example, this is how to use it. You can make a short quizzes after each topic. The student will answer online and Google marks them automatically without you even holding a pen. Is that not amazing? You can turn on make this a quiz under settings to enable auto grading. You will get scores instantly. You don't need any red pen at all. That is how it works.
Go to your browser, type form, you can see there .google.com to create a new form. You can see you have contact information. If the form you want to do, you can just take this one and change your info. Let's say I want to do a contact form. You can see it. This is a form already. You can see how it's looking. The name, even as a teacher, you can use to set your question. You can use to set your question and the children will answer it and it will show you answer without any problem. Look at it. Questions, responses, name, contact email, address, phone number, if you are doing a contact form. But if you are not doing a contact form, you are doing another one, you do the same thing. Let's just do a quick one. Let's use a blank form. This is a blank form. Say whatever you want to use it for. What do you want to? Let me close this one now. So describe what you want to use this for. Is it a newsletter? Is it to gather something? Is it for anything you want to use it for? Let me just pick one. You say create. So it's because this one is okay. I actually want to use it to create a questionnaire for employee. So I can say what is dash is an output device. That's an output device. Then I want to put the options. So the first option can be mouse. Second one can be printer. Third one can be keyboard. And already I know that my answer is the keyboard. So I'll say required. That means it must be answered. Then when I'm done, I say publish. I'm still going to go to set, make this a quiz. I'll say yes. You have to go there to make it a quiz. So make it a quiz then. immediately after each submission, later after manual review. Okay. Missed question, respondent can see which question were answered incorrectly. Yes. Correct answer, yes. Point value for each one, yes. You just do your settings here. Anyhow you want your word, then you do publish. So you can share with anyone with the link, since it's a quiz, or you can manage it and send to a specific group of people. Anyone with the link, or you can restrict it to anyone with the link, or you type their email address, then done. So if I want to share it, you click here, you share. That's how it works.
Then tool number 4 is Google Drive. This one is your digital file cabinet where you keep all your files to store them for the future use. Are you tired of losing your flash drive or misplacing your files? Google Drive will store all your work safely in the cloud without any problem, and you can access them whenever you need them. You can upload your lesson plans, your student projects, pictures, video, and access them from any device, anywhere, at any time. You can even share resources with colleagues. No more, please send me that file messages. You can just share it immediately, and that's fine. So I'm going to show you how to get that.
Go to your browser, then type drive.google.com. You know what it helps you to do? To save your work, to share your work with people. So you can see it. Now let's check. This is how it looks like. You can create a new file or a new folder. You can see what people have shared with you. You can see your recent work here. So let your drive, this one is where all your files are saved. So let's create a new one. At least you can do file upload, folder upload, you can upload Google Doc, you can upload Google Sheets, anything, you can upload them into here. So let's go to, I want to upload a file. So it takes me, if I want to upload a file, if I just click new file, new folder, it takes you to, if you say your drive, it shows you what you have in your drive. Shared with me, it shows you what people have shared with you. Recent shows your recent documents. You can trash some that you don't need. Same way, when you are done, you can, as it's in the drive like this, you can share it with people. You can share it with people also. So when you are done with your work, you can, just like this one, if I want to share this, you can see it. I mean, sorry. Just like the way I have now, this is what I've done, or let's say the recent work. I can just say like this, I want to share it with someone. I can rename it. I can make a copy. I can share. Just the same way I want to share it with someone. I share the same way I've been sharing others too. You can see the same way of sharing. When you are done, you say, "Oh, that's how that one works."
Tool number 5, that is Google Classroom. This one is your virtual learning space. You can have your students, you can have co-teacher. This one is very useful. It is where you can create your classes, you can post your assignments, you can grade students, and communicate with your students online. For example, once you have created your class, your students can submit assignments, they can take quizzes, and get instant feedback without waiting. Let's see how to do this quickly. You can also integrate Google Forms inside your Google Classroom for automatic grading, a huge time saver for busy teachers. And that is it. 5 Google tools every teacher should know. Let's recap real quick. Google Doc for writing and collaboration, Google Slide for engaging lessons, Google Forms for quizzes and feedback, Google Drive for storage and sharing, Google Classroom for digital learning. These tools will save you time, reduce stress, and make your students love learning.
From your browser, type classroom.google.com, classroom.google.com. Then it takes you to the classroom as a teacher. So say continue. Let me continue with this. Then if you are creating a class, you can. If you are joining a class as students will join the class while a teacher creates a class. To create a class, click here. I have read the agreement. Okay. Say continue, then to tell you the class name, the session, the subject, the room, just like that. If a student joins a class with a class code or whatever way, you can also register the student. Okay, now let me just create a class to show us a class name. Let's say the class name is coding class. Section require, let's say subject. This is the only one that is the first two are the ones that are compulsory. I'll say create. Okay, so you can see when you create, it will give you the class code that you can share with your students. You can also come to people here and add your student or teacher. I'm adding a student. I will add from here. Type the email of the teacher and student TS of the student and send them, or you copy the class code and send to the student, or type the email of the to notify the student. So you can see this is where you grade. So since we don't have any students, this here shows the grade. You have no student here. So in the classwork is here where you can just put your classwork stream. In this place, you can announce to your students. You can say new announcements. You can tell your students what you want them to say. Hello class. So you can post something and post. So you can see when you scroll down now, you see hello class is there. When the students are there, they will see. If you have work that you schedule for them, it's going to be here. So you have this one is there. This is where you will view and manage the grade of the students. So you can invite students. Since we don't have students yet, people show you the number of students and teachers in your class. You can give your classwork and create a classwork here. Is it assignment? Is it quiz assignment? Is it question? Is it material you want to give them? Is it a topic? You can do it here. Then here you send them whatever you announce to them and it goes to their email. So you can do any other thing you want to. You can archive a class here. The archive classes will show here. When you archive anyone to show here. The calendar, you can have your calendar here to at least schedule your classes or schedule your things. You can do it here also. This is home. So you can see in the home, it's showing me that I have this class here.
In our next video, we will be go deeper into Google Classroom, setting up your class, adding students, and creating assignments step by step. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a fellow teacher. Let's make digital teaching simple and powerful together.